how to clear history on Yelp app. Hello everybody, welcome to today's tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll be showing you how you can clear your history on the Yelp app. And here is how to go about it. The first step is to open your mobile device, scroll down and then click on the Yelp application in order to launch the app. So after clicking on the app, you'll be asked to log in if you've not logged in already. Ensure you're logged in and then you'll be taken to the home page where you can search for restaurants. You can search for businesses close to you that you can use to carry out your services. So as you can see, the next step is to move to the lower part of the screen where you can see 5 icons, namely the search, project, me, collections, and then the more option. Just go ahead and click on more. After clicking on more on the more page, the next thing to do is to scroll down until you can see settings and then click on it. Alright, now after clicking on settings, we brought to the settings page. On this page you can see several options like push notifications, email notifications, my locations, location services, clear history. So once you see clear history, just tap on it and then you'll be brought to the clear history page. The next thing to do is to click on clear history once again, click on yes, and then just like that your history would be cleared. And this helps to keep your app experience organized and relevant. So here is how you can clear history on your app. Thanks for watching and ensure you have a good day.